Hello student, welcome to Nelson's English School. Student, today we are going to start our lesson number 8 Manusya Sinhayoho Maitri. Manusya Sinhayo means ke man and lion and Maitri and friendship. So, friendship between a man and a lion. Dear student, before starting translation of our chapter, let's see small summary of this chapter. Summary is a true story that happened in Saurashtra has been presented in this chapter. The students will like and enjoy this story that happened in the recent past in our religion. Student, let's start drilling of hard words. Hard words are कति वर्ष, कृषि वाटिका, स्थितः, सिंह भार्या, क्षतिग्रस्तः, भूत्वा, अपतत, आनीय, शुश्रूषां, निधनकाले. Now student, some meanings of this chapter Manusya Sinhayoho Maitri. Meanings are kati varsh means some years. Krushi Vatika means farm. Sthitah means existing. Sinha Bharya means the wife of the lion or lioness. Kshatigrastah means injured. Nidhan Kale at the time of death. Aniya have brought. Shushrusham means service or treatment. Nidhan Kale means at the time of death. Now student, let me start translation of this chapter. Translation of paragraph number 1. सौराष्ट्र प्रदेशे सताधार ग्रामस्य समीपे मोटी मोणपरी नामकः ग्रामः वर्तते. सौराष्ट्र प्रदेश means के in Saurashtra Pradesh. Saurashtra one part of Gujarat. Sattadhar Gramasya. Sattadhar means ke name of village and Gram means village. Moti Monpari. Moti Monpari small village is there in Sattadhar Gramasya. Vartate means is. Kati varsh purve. Kati varsh means ke many years. Purve means ago. तस्मिन् ग्रामे मात्रावाल नामकः एक कृषिवल आसीत्. मात्रावाल नाम कृषिवल मीन्स फार्मर. एक मीन्स के वन. नद्याः तटे कृषिवाटिका आसीत्. नद्याः तटे मीन्स के बैंक ऑफ रिवर. कृषिवाटिका मीन्स के फार्म. मात्रावाला प्रतिदिनं वाटिकायां वृक्षतले स्थित्वा नद्याः जलम् अपश्यत्. प्रतिदिनं मीन्स डेली. Vatikaya means in farm. Vruksha tale under the tree. Sthitva means ke to sit. And Nadya jalam apashyata. Nadya jalam means ke water of river. And translation is there is a village named Moti Monpari near Satadhar village in Saurashtra Pradesh. Many years ago, a farmer named Matrawala lived in this village. Matrawala's farm was near the river bank. Matrawala would sit in his farm under a tree and watch the river's water every day. एकदा सह अपश्यत. एकदा means के one. अपश्यत means के to saw. सिंह स्वभार्ययाः सह नद्या जलपानार्थ आगच्छत. Siंह means lion. स्वभार्यया means lioness or his wife. Jalpanartha means drinking water. Agachata means to come. नद्याः जले स्थितः मकरः सिंहभार्ययाः वधम् अकरोत्. नद्याः जले means के in the river of in the water of river. स्थित means के reside. मकर means के crocodile. सिंहभार्यया lion. वधम् अकरोत्. वधम् means के to kill. सिंह तस्या रक्षणाय प्रयत्नम् अकरोत् किन्तु निष्फल अभवत्. सिंह means lion. तस्या her रक्षणार्थ means to save. प्रयत्नम means के try. अकरोत् किंतु but निष्फल means unsuccessful. He became unsuccessful. दुखित सिंह नद्याः तटे उत्तिष्ठित. दुखित means के sad lion. नद्याः तटे means के river bank. उत्तिष्ठित to sit. चतुर्णा दिनानाम अनंतरम. चतुर्णा दिनानाम means के on fourth days. अनंतरम when यदा मकरः नद्याः तटसमीपम् आगच्छत. नद्याः तटसमीपम् means के on river bank. Who came on river bank? मकर means के crocodile. तदा सिंह शीघ्रतया आक्रमण अकरोत्. तदा means के then सिंह means lion. शीघ्रतया. शीघ्रतया means के quickly. आक्रमण means attack. अकरोत्. तयोः मध्ये घोर युद्धम अभवत. घोर युद्धम means के battle. घोर युद्धम means के battle अभवत. सिंह मकरस्य वधम अकरोत्. सी finally सी means के lion. वधम means के to kill. Who killed the crocodile? Lion. At least at the end of the third day, on fourth day, lion was killed the crocodile. किंतु स स्वयमपि क्षतिग्रस्तः भूत्वा तत्रैव अपतत्. किंतु means के but स्वयमपि means के himself. क्षतिग्रस्तः. क्षतिग्रस्तः means के injured. Who injured? Lion injured. भूत्वा means के on the earth. And apatat means के fell down. Now translation is, once he saw a lion coming with his wife to drink the river water. The crocodile living in the river killed the lioness. The lion tried to save her but was unsuccessful. The said lion stayed on the river bank. 4 days later, when the crocodile came near the river bank, lion attacked it quickly or suddenly. There was a fierce battle between the two. Finally, the lion killed the crocodile, but he himself was wounded and fell down there itself. मात्रावालः दूरत एतत अपश्यत. दूरत means के from far away. अपश्यत means के looking. And एतत means all these things. स क्षतिग्रस्त सिंहस्य सहायार्थं तत्र आगच्छत. आगच्छत means के to come. क्षतिग्रस्त means के injured lion. तत्र आगच्छत means के come there. औषधानि आनीय सः सिंहस्य शुश्रूषाम् अकरोत्. औषधानि means के medicine. आनीय means के to bring. शुश्रूषाम् means के wounded and treated. कति दिनांतरम सिंह स्वस्थ अभवत. कति दिनांतरम. कति means के after. दिनांतरम means के few days. सिंह lion. स्वस्थ means के all right. अभवत become. तथा च तस्य मित्रम अभवत. तस्य मित्रम means his friend. तदंतरम सः एव सिंह प्रतिदिनं मात्रावालः गृहे तस्य समीपं न्यवसत. न्यवसत तस्य सिंह प्रतिदिनं. प्रतिदिनं means के daily. तदंतरम after that सः एव सिंह प्रतिदिनं means के daily मात्रावालः गृहे. मात्रावालः गृह means के मात्रावाला's house. समीपम near. न्यवसत means के reside. सः मात्रावाला सह सर्वत्र भ्रमणम् अकरोत्. स who lion. स मतलब means he. मात्रावाला स with मात्रावाला. सर्वत्र means everywhere. भ्रमण अकरोत्. भ्रमण means के everywhere. Go with मात्रावाला. भ्रमण means के go. Everywhere go with मात्रावाला. तस्य गृहं क्षेत्रं च अरक्षत. अरक्षत means के guard. To guard. गृहं means house and क्षेत्रं means farm. मनुष्यः एषा अद्वितीया मैत्री. अद्वितीय means incredible and Maitri means friendship. मनुष्य सिंह man and lion. कति वर्ष पर्यंतम प्राचलत कति वर्ष means के many years. मात्रावालां निधन काले दुखित सिंह स्मशान यात्राम अपि आगच्छत. मात्रावाला निधन काले means death of Matrawalas. Time of Matrawala's death. दुखित सिंह means के sad lion. स्मशान यात्रा funeral. अपि आगच्छत also come. स्मशानत एव स वनम आगच्छत. स्मशानत means के he went away in the forest. Vanam means के foreign from the cemetery. स्मशानत means के cemetery. तदंतरम कोऽपि जनः तं सिंहं न पश्यत. तदंतरम means के thereafter. कोऽपि जन no man सिंह that lion न अपश्यत not seen again. And translation is Matrawala was looking at all this from far away. He came there to help the wounded lion. He brought medicines and treated the lion. After a few days, the lion became all right and became his friend due to the treatment. Then that lion started living near Matrawala in his house. He would go everywhere with Matrawala and guarded Matrawala's home and field. This unique friendship between men and women, man and lion, went on for quite a few years. At the time of Matrawala's death, the saddened lion joined the funeral procession also. He went away into the forest from the cemetery itself. Thereafter no man saw that lion again. अद्यापि जनाः एतत् सत्यप्रसङ्गस्य विस्मरणं कर्तुं न शक्नुवन्ति. अद्यापि even today. अद्यापि means even today. जनाः means people. सत्यप्रसंग means true story. विस्मरणं means के to forget. Even today, people are not able to forget this true story. Student, this is a real story from Saurashtra Pradesh. I hope you all like this story. Thank you.